Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Give it a thumbs up for me, please. Okay, so we're going to have some fried chicken wings. I cut the wings in half, so they may be wingettes now, but at any rate, they're fried chicken wings with a gluten-free flour. Let's see if there's any difference, okay? If you don't like gluten-free flour on yours, you can put regular flour on yours. So let's get started, okay? Thank you. Thumbs up. You know we love some fried chicken, don't we? Yes. Here we go. Okay. So you can see I lightly put some gluten-free flour on the chicken wings, okay? And I also cut them into 2 portions. You see that? Alright. So let me put a piece in and see if our oil is hot enough. And we are hot. Okay, I'm going to put the pieces that look like a drumstick in first because they take longer to cook. Okay, and I have one more here. Okay, they're all in. This is a great machine, guys. I got this at Walmart. It's fiberware, and I paid $19.99 for it. You can't beat that for a deep fryer, right? And I just dropped down 5 pieces of the chicken wing, and you could see that that went down fine. I do suggest that you move things around. If necessary. Okay? And it probably will be necessary halfway through. Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day? The words of the day. The words of the day is I like. I like you. I like her. I like him. I like your mother. I like your brother. I like the little children. I like. Well, with those words, I like, comes along with some responsibility. So if you like someone, you don't try to hurt them. You don't try to use them. You show them love. You embrace them. You let them know that they're liked. And when they realize that you really like them, they're going to like you back. I like. That's the words of the day. Okay, let's go back to our chicken wings and see what's going on. Okay? Now this fryer do come with a basket. I don't use the basket because I can get more in without the basket. Okay, and also when the chicken gets done, it's going to rise to the top. So I'll know when it's done. So I don't need the basket to pull it up to show me that. They're going to come up. Okay? Oh, can't you just taste it now? Yes. Yes. Okay, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay. So I have my thermometer. Let's take the temperature. Chicken should be 165. Okay, we're at 170. We are done. Okay, we're going to put our other half in. Wash my hands. Okay, let me let you look at this. Look at that. What $19.99 can't do. Deep fryer, $19.99. Okay. Okay, and I'll be back. I'm gonna let that cook. Okay, so let's turn the chicken wings over. Look at that, guys. Woo. Okay, now let's take the temperature. We're looking for a temperature of 165 for chicken. Okay, we're there. We're 169. They are done. this off. There we go. That's our second half. Let me put it all together and show you. And I'll even take a bite. Okay guys, take a look at that. How about that, huh? Alright, let me taste. Okay, here we go. It's crunchy. I don't taste any difference with the gluten-free flour versus the regular flour, all-purpose. Tastes the same. Mmm. Well, who'da knew? Okay, guys. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up for the chicken wings. Subscribe, share the video. Love you. Bye-bye.